KUBOTA KX080-4. We just got it in. It's as near new as you're ever going to find. It's got 122 hours. It's got brand new tracks. I've got the old ones there. I'm going to put them on the older unit. This thing is just like the new ones. We haven't done a thing to it. It's a quick coupler, 36-inch bucket, original paint, of course, fine original paint. Dual auxiliary hydraulics, big deal. Four-way hydraulic blade with the bolt-on cutting edge. Not a marker skin on it that I can see to speak of. Still got plastic on the seat. Enclosed cab, air conditioning, heat, AM, FM, Bluetooth radio. This is a Super Series 2, the newest one you can get. Okay, Jay, go ahead if you want to. And let me open up the engine compartment. Go ahead and we'll crank it up.